everyone, today you meet me Prio Perfect Home again, and today I'm here at the Prio Condo. I come with the room with the pool view on the 6th floor with a site 39.20 square meter, and this building is very nice with the they also have a CCTV around the building and every floor with the good security here. With the facility is a fitness for you and pool, playground, meeting room, and this building is very close to the Central Airport and close to the airport Chiang Mai and close to the Far Eastern University, Vary International School, Montfort School, and close to Chiang Mai Climate Hospital. And talk about the room. It's very nice room. It comes from with the west facing. You wanna see inside? Let's go. Yeah, tell me inside the room. For this room, it's very nice. It have a digital door lock for you. It's really safe for the resident or for you. And for this part, they also have a storage for keep a shoe or something here for you, and on the top as well. And for my left hand is the kitchen zone. It comes with the sink and electric stove, microwave for you, and storage for you. It's many. You can keep everything inside on the top or on the under the sink. And on the top of the sink is the granite as well, and with the hood and the fridge for you. And look at the floor, it's different. For this zone is from the granite, it's easy to clean, and for next part is the granite as well, but different style, easy to clean as well. And next from this is the dining area. They also have the 2 seats for you. And looking at this part is a different living area. They also have one table here and sofa bed for you, and this room have one air condition for you. In the living area, you can see outside it comes with a pool view. It's really nice. When you sit or relax here, you can see outside the pool view. And let's see outside the balcony. The balcony, the facing is west. It's really nice. The wind come to the room all the time. And they also have a washing machine for you. Look and see the inside the room. I would like to show the bathroom. In the bathroom with the big mirror and the sink. Under the sink have the shelf. You can keep stock here. The toilet and the bathtub with the rain shower. And around the wall is the granite. It's very bright. Make the bathroom is clean. And let's see the bedroom. Okay, let's see inside the bedroom. Bedroom is different style again. For on the floor, this is different. The color is changed to the black one, and the wall is the black gray. And look, see here on this have a television for you, and this have a table. You can change it forward here. And they also build this part to like a sofa. You can enjoy or sit here when you wake up or relax time here. And looking outside, you can see the pool view as well. And it comes with the bed, queen bed side for you. And yeah, and the dark gray at the wall. And look and see inside the closet. In the closet, it's like a modern style with the gray and many It's good for the lady if you have the many clothes here. I really like this. And this part is like a makeup here. You can make up here or keep everything here or under as well. It's very good for you. And this room also have a one air condition for you as well. Yes, I would like to talk about this room again. For this room with a size 39.20 square meter on the 6th floor and west facing with the pool view. And they also have a CCTV around the building with the good security here. And about facility here is they also have a fitness for you, playground for you, meeting room for you, pool for you as well, and close to Central Airport. Can walk inside, go to there, and close to the airport and Far Eastern University, Chiang Mai ใกล้หมอ Hospital, Valley International School and Montfort School. If you would like to see, please contact here. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video today. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.